Hello everyone, I'm Top Team. Today I want to talk about the heart and the body. Where is your heart? Can you see it? No, you cannot see our heart. Not many people know about the role of heart. Our heart is a leader and have many functions that affect the process of thinking, emotion, action, or body. Yes, right, our heart connect with the body. For example, this is a real story. A man was stuck in fishing room for 3 days. Actually, human being can have a life without water or food estimate for 10 days. But this man died in a fishing room. What killed him? Normally, the body is able to live more than 3 days. But why did he die? Actually, fishing room, the temperature is on -5 to 10, but that room fisher machine was broken. The temperature is on 5 to 12, cannot work well. But he died because he believed this fishing room the temperature is on minus and he was going to die. Because of his thought, oh, I'm going to die, I cannot live. Then in his heart already was fulfilled with fear, hopeless, and already believed like that. So when he already believes like that, it will affect your body. When you want to stop something or you want to stop by your action, changing life does not happen through action that comes from determination and effort. If you think it will change your heart. Me too. I have experience when I meet a situation which is difficult, it makes me feel pressure, such as when I have to listen something that opposite in my heart or some word that I cannot handle. In that moment, in my heart, I don't want to accept anything. So when my heart be like this, it affect my body. Then I give up myself and fall down because my heart commands my body. This condition make me burdened, but after I learn the role of the heart, I get to know my heart more and I can handle that problem. People trying to be change their action because they don't know their heart are formed and how they can fall. This is due to the fact that they don't know precisely about the role of the heart. Before, I was focused on only my outside thing, but after I noticed the role of the heart, I may focus on heart to change. I hope you may listen my direction to think about yourself. Thank you for listening. Bye!